Alright guys, today I'm coming at you with a very special video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to downgrade your iPhone 4S from iOS 9.3.6 to iOS 6.1.3. We're going to be using a brand new version of 3U Tools that is now available for the Mac. If you're on Windows, you'll also need 3U Tools, but you will need to use version 2.55, version 2.38, or version 2.17, depending on what version of Windows you're running. So let's get into the tutorial with the brand new version of 3U Tools on Mac, finally, after all these years. So first, you are going to connect this iPhone to Wi-Fi. Once that's done, we'll be back. Once you're connected to Wi-Fi, and you're gonna go to this exact URL, jailbreaks.app/legacy.html. It may take a second to load, but once it's loaded, you're going to scroll down till you see install Phoenix, iOS 9.3.5, iOS 9.3.6. You can tap that. It's going to install the Phoenix jailbreak app. You should see it pop up here in a second. There we go. It's now installing. Okay, once that's done, we're going to go to settings, general, and device management. Tap this, see Phoenix app. Trust. Once that's done, we can go back home and we can go to the Phoenix app. Prepare for jailbreak, accept, proceed with jailbreak, begin installation. Use provided offsets. There we go, the jailbreak has begun. You'll get a prompt that says storage almost full, and then your iPhone will restart. Once your iPhone restarts, you should now see the Cydia app along with the Phoenix app. If you don't see the Cydia app, just relaunch the Phoenix app and reinitiate the jailbreak. Keep trying to get the Cydia app. But now that we have Cydia, open Cydia. Once this pops up, tap return to Cydia, and then click the first option, upgrade essential, confirm. Once this is done, Cydia should close, and then we can reopen it. Cydia is closed. Now we can relaunch Cydia. Go to the bottom, tap sources, tap edit, tap add, and you want to add repo.html repo.timstar.net, repo.timstar.net. Add source, return to Cydia. Now we can go to our sources. You see the Timstar beta repo. Tap that. Tap all packages. Can go down to K. You want to install this one, KDFU app. Tap KDFU app. Tap install. Confirm. Okay, it is now finished. Return to Cydia. Now you'll have a brand new app on the home screen, KDFU. Open it, and you want to select all four options here. Once you have all four options selected, you can tap enter KDFU. You'll see it says bye-bye system. It's now entering KDFU mode. The phone should power off, and it should not come back on. If it does come back on, you need to re-enable the jailbreak through the Phoenix app, and then redo the process that I just showed you in the KDFU app. But as you can see, the phone just shut down and it is not coming back on, which means we are successfully in KDFU mode. Now we need to connect the phone to the computer and launch 3U Tools. So I'll be right back. Now all we need to do is go to 3u.com. Here we are at 3u.com. We're going to be using the brand new macOS version. But if you're on Windows, I'm going to show you the three versions that you need to try to get this to downgrade. So click on the detail button. Now, the macOS version, there's only one version right now. It's version 3.03. For Windows, here's the versions you're going to need to try. You can try the latest version for Windows, which is version 3.09. You can try version 2.55 released in 2020, and you can try version 2.38. If you're on Windows 8.1 or older, you need to use version 2.17. But for this video, we're going to be using the macOS version, which is version 3.03. You will also need to get the custom firmware for the iPhone 4S. I will have this website linked down in the description. It is a tutorial from 3U Tools. Basically, you go down and you select this OTA iPhone 4,1 IPSW file. Download this, Once that's downloaded, we can go into 3U tools, and the phone is still in KDView mode from before. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Go Flash, select local firmware, import, select the OTA iPhone 4,1 IPSW, open, make sure retain user's data is not checked, and you select quick flash mode for Windows. Flash, flash. Close out of this. Let's make this full screen. And you see we already have the old iOS 6 Apple logo displayed on this screen. Once that's done, we'll be back. Alright, congratulations. Clean flash completed. Now we need to wait for the phone to boot, and we should be in iOS 6.1.3. Oh, my bad. It needs to do one more progress bar, and then we should be booted into iOS 6 on the iPhone 4S. Boom. Just like that, we're booted into iOS 6. Now there's one more thing we need to do on 3U tools. We need to click iDevice activate now. Activate and skip. Okay, we are now activated, which means we can skip through most of the setup. Start using iPhone. Just like that, we downgraded from iOS 9.3.6 to iOS 6.1.3. Just to show you, let's go into settings, general about, version 6.1.3, build number 10B329. That, ladies and gentlemen, is how you downgrade your iPhone 4S from iOS 9.3.6 to iOS 6.1.3. Thanks for watching.